So let's see. We streaming? Oh yeah, we up and running. All right, bet. All right. Well, we have in this trend, it swings. Market moves is basically off of trends. You feel me? Off of swing points because it's a transaction from price going from here to here. A transaction from here to here. This is what I mean by the transaction. This is where price wants to decide whether it wants to go up in price and still push higher, or if it wants to go lower from this area. That's what this zone tells you. So as you follow these on the way up, looking for the high and the low. The furthest point that we pushed, that made a new low below the previous low, right? We push up and make a new high. Sorry about that. So since we pushed this high, this low here becomes a protected low. And we now have a zone that's responsible for shifting the high, and that gets tapped. I'm looking for a price to come back within the 50% of each zone. Within the 50%, I'm expecting a rejection, but of some sideways movement within the rejection to then determine where prices are wanting to go. So to get that, what do I use? Swings, right? It's simple, it's simple, it's so simple. But within this swing, within this trend up, you gotta pay attention to what's happening, right? So let me get real close so everybody can real see it. You can see it. So we have this swing, right? This high, this low, and we come up. We come back into 50% here. We come up, push, fail to make a new high, right? Come deeper into the zone. We run below this low with a body. And then we run back above with a body. That is what's called the transaction between both parties. That's where they agree to a new price or agree to a new arrangement. You feel me? Whatever it is, it's the movement from buying or from selling into buying. Sorry. So we sold here. That's entry for short. Take the low. Now this is the entry to buy. So this is the transaction. It gives you opportunities to then get out of BE or in some profit. But you gotta follow the rules. Yeah, I just keep yawning. I don't know. Let me lock in, Tony. Let me lock in. So now we have this low or this high and this low. And we come up and push above this zone here. Now that we have that body closure above, I'm waiting for price to now show me something in there here. No 50, we continue. Boom, 50 top. Now with 50 top gives you a 1-to-1. I want to say like 90 to 95% of the time. The run happens like 75, maybe 80% of the time. You will get the run of the high. But chasing the run of the high may cause you come in drawdown or a little bit deeper into the zone. It just depends on how you want to go about it and how where your entry in from, where your entry is. Following this method, man, you get pinpoint. You feel me? Exact entries. Each of these trades, you feel me? You can get a 1-to-1. Just sometimes if you got spread, you feel me? That's when the higher time frames come in play. They become better. So when you go on here, you see that there's potential room, and you feel me on where it's going. So in this zone, we did not get the closure below. We're not getting the closure above. So now we have this zone here. So now I'm looking for it to come into 50%. I'm gonna exit around here and then re-enter for a buy back up. I need to break below this though. So now we're getting it to come back into the zone. Where we tap 50. You see the spread on this? Usually you get like tighter spreads. You know, with Nas, that's why I usually trade tight spreads. But sometimes, you gotta do what you gotta do. Trade with the big boys sometimes. But that's why you want to be extra sure and that your trade analysis is lining up with everything. Because the spread can fuck you up sometimes. Not can, the spread will fuck you up. You feel me? It'll play, not try to put you in, give you the worst kind of entry. The spread will fuck with you. I ain't gonna lie. The spread ain't no joke. I know we're looking solid. Y'all just tell me what y'all think. You feel me? Me personally, I still think this is the best way to trade. You start to trust the analysis and trust what's going on. As you pay attention, you feel me? You see what's actually happening. It comes with time. Time being locked in, you feel me? Because if you want this, you gotta treat it like a job, you know? You're no longer working a 9 to 5. This becomes your 9 to 5. Not necessarily saying you gotta be on it like you feel me, but you wanna devote enough time into it where you understand it. A lot of people just using it, you feel me, as a get rich quick scheme. You feel me? It's not. You got you in the skill. You can make crazy amounts of money, but you have to put in the time for it. A lot of people not willing to put in that time. I don't know about 30. I'm I turned 23 in December, so you feel me? I've been trading for about 4 years now, 3 to 4 years. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You feel me? My first like 2 3 years, even this year, I ain't gonna lie, a little strugglesome. I will make money. You feel me? And then also stupid shit. Dumb shit. Not thinking about it. Blow through it, pull it out. Take withdrawals, blow through that, spending more than I'm actually making in trading. So it's learning curve. I'm telling you, this gonna test you. It's gonna really test you. But you watch what it brings with it. Nah, what I say I was targeting. Come on. Thought I was joking. It ain't a game. This game I call life. Come on, man. Come on. My goal is financial freedom. I want to be absolutely free. Just gotta be able to lock in with it. Mm. In case y'all not following where my trade is at. But now my bias has switched. I'm gonna let this round play out for a sec. Y'all might have looked at that too early. So I might have flipped too early. Because I'm looking at this low, put in this high. We have no body closure above this high. So no body closure above this. Here, we still selling. Even above this one, we have nobody closure above this high either. Close, but not a high. You feel me? So therefore, I'm still holding my share. Still holding the share, lady. Because what's to be expected in this zone to give me maybe a little rejection, maybe into here. And then from here, I'm expecting, a shift back down. Now, depending on this here, this shift back down determines my next move. Whether we're continuing to buy back up to push new highs, or if we're continuing to run the rest of my lows. Targeting this, targeting this, targeting. Oh, whoa. We targeting there? Targeting this. You feel me? Potentially targeting this. So it just depends on where we're taking everything. Y'all seen it here first, you feel me? Like a quick 600. I got that one. So, you feel me? It just depends. Like I said, you know what I'm paying attention for. You know what I'm looking out for. I told you. Now we waiting for it. Like I said, depending on what this push here. I go understand. Oh, it gets saucy. It's very, very saucy. But what I say? I said depending on what's happening in this zone will determine what's happening. I don't like holding on my screen. You see this spread, ridiculous. Damn near 84. 65, 66. Like, you feel me? I really need to be calling out these 5-15 minute zones. Let's see where we at with it. Cause here, boom, I'll failure to take the low. Let me see if Fireman do anything. Fireman need stretch. Ooh. Alright. trading, you gotta have patience. You gotta be able to see your trade through. If you ain't got patience, this is not a good game for you. So what I say, this area will lead you up. So now we paying attention to what's happening here. We got this zone and now this zone. So I'm looking for price coming into here. Maybe this zone here. Give me a reaction. This is where that patience come in play. You playing long, special just. ain't gonna lie, I'm all fall asleep. So I'll let y'all know how the trade go in the morning. I'll show y'all.